So I'm hoping this works. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing. So I went a little crazy on Black Friday and I bought a whole bunch of stuff from Adagio Tees. And I love their box. Look at this. So it kind of comes up. So cool. So anyway, so all the packing stuff. And then I got reindeer fuel. Can't wait to try this. Ooh, caffeine boost. Who doesn't need that? And decaf Earl Grey. This is one of my favorite decaf Earl Greys. The Adagio one. Really, really smooth. So I'm thinking about doing like 30 days of Earl Grey. Is anybody interested in that? Let me know. Okay, so, oh, I don't know what this is. They gave me a little gift. Oh, I think it's a teapot. Look at this, how cute. How cute is this? Okay. Oh, it's so sweet. Look. Look how cute. Oh, I love it. Ah! So cute. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So, I told you I went crazy, right? This is how much Earl Grey Moonlight I bought. I don't think I realized how much 16 ounces of tea was. Whoops. And then I did, so this is a new one. It's called Earl Grey Bravo. Again, 16 ounces of tea is a lot of tea. And I wish I could say it would last long, but it probably won't. And then last but not least, oh, so I'm gonna do a series of health and wellness teas in January, and one of them I'm gonna try is called Red Tent Tea. So remember the book, The Red Tent? I'm thinking that's what this is about, or it's like based on that, because it's for that time of the month where ladies need a little bit of soothing. So Red Tent Tea, and then let's see. Oh, this is just points that I got. Oh, coupons. Ooh, maybe. Feel well faster with tea. That's cute. And, oh, I guess sharing. Thank you for sharing, because they know I'm going to put this on there. Anyway, so cool. My first unboxing. Yay. Okay. Bye. Talk to you soon.